What is good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel Nikistic Life. First of all, tell me, do you feel nervous while initiating conversations, or you feel like you're not confident in talking to someone? Guys, if you want to become confident and you want to overcome your nervousness, then you should definitely watch the video till the end. Point number 1, and this is your external appearance, your first impression. That means how you are looking externally. I know they say that never judge a book by its cover, but today in the world 80% of the people are going to judge you by your cover. That means your external appearance. So girl or the boys, you need to take care of how you are looking from the outside. So my friend, you need to take care of what you are wearing, your footwear, your clothes, your hair. Is your hair in place or not, or the clothing item that you are wearing in the right way or not. So always pay attention to how you are looking from outside, because if you are looking good, then you will instantly get that confidence.
And if you want to know some tips and tricks about the external appearance, then you should definitely check my earlier video that is here, so just click on that.
So after this, you need to keep in mind your body language, because the body language tells it all sometimes, whether you are confident or underconfident. So you should definitely keep in mind these 4 tips. So the first point that is related to your body language is that never slouch in front of anyone, because that is only going to give a very bad impression of yours in front of others. So you don't want that. So always keep your back straight. Never stand like this in front of anyone. Always keep that back straight, your spine straight, and just look confident. So the second thing that you need to keep in mind when it comes to your body language is that you should never keep frigid body movements or closed body movements while you're talking to someone. You should be a bit open, and by that I means you should feel a bit free when you are talking to someone. You should never be rubbing your fingers, your arms folded, never, because this makes an impression that you are not interested in talking to the person, and then they will take a step back, and we don't want that. So you should always keep yourself a bit free and a bit casual, so that they can feel that okay, this person is interested in talking to me. So the next thing that you need to keep in mind while talking to someone is that never stand at angles while talking to someone. If the person is standing right in front of you, then you should always face him or her, because if you will not face them, it will again make an impression that you are not at all giving attention to them, and obviously they will not talk to you anymore, and that's gonna just decrease your confidence level. And here we are talking about boosting up your confidence. So for that, you need to just keep face towards the person you are talking to. So the next point that you need to keep in mind is something that I cannot emphasize enough on. I mentioned it in my last video as well, and I'm mentioning it now also. Always maintain eye contact with the person you are talking to, because when you maintain your eye contact, the person just gets engaged in you, and they are more likely to just keep talking to you when you are having an eye contact with them. And if you are not, then they will again feel neglected and will definitely end up that conversation there. If you are going to maintain your eye contact, then it is going to take your confidence to another levels. So the next point that I have for you is that always stay happy and positive in conversations, because you know what, when you just talk about your plights, your sorrows, then the person in front of you also gets in that phase. So we don't want that, but you should always stay happy and positive in front of others who just don't know about your personal life, because when you will talk to them all those shits, then they are also going to just get shits on you, and then it's all gonna be cancelled out, and the confidence is nowhere there. So you should always stay positive when you are talking to others. Suppose if I start my videos hello, welcome to my channel Nikistic Life, like this, or if I start my video as hello, welcome back to my channel Nikistic Life, then in which case you are gonna watch my video, in which case you are gonna continue watching my video? Definitely in the second one. So the tip here is that always keep that smile on your face, because that is instantly gonna catch people's attention, and they are more likely to talk to you. Now the next tip or trick, whatever you call it, but I call it the golden rule to confidence. and that is treat yourself like a king or queen. Cause when you will move out of your house, then you will meet different types of people, and there comes your insecurities, and there is a real test of your confidence. There you will see different people and you will just start thinking, oh, she's hot, he's handsome, and she looks better than me, he has muscular body, and all these stuff are gonna just get here and you are gonna lose all your confidence. You need to think that you are not less than anyone. I'm not saying that keep others below, but the thing here is that always think yourself to be the king or the queen, because they say that the way you treat yourself becomes the way the others treat you. So always keep in mind that you are not gonna let you down, you are always gonna keep your esteem high. And when you will move out of the house with this attitude, it will instantly boost your confidence, because now you have the idea in your mind that okay, everyone else is also good, but I am also not less than anyone. The fifth tip that I have for you is that, guys, always be curious when you are in conversations. Like when you are talking to others, just don't keep on listening, because that is gonna make you look like you are getting bored and you are just listening to some pravachan or something, and that will make the person just stop the conversation there, and you will feel like you were not worthy enough to have a conversation with, and that is definitely going to decrease your confidence 100 times downwards. So you don't need to do that. Always be curious when you're talking to someone, and when you get stuck to some point like you don't have anything to say, just ask different questions about the topic. Just ask them their perceptions about the topic, and that is going to help you a lot in conversations, because it will not make them feel like you are stuck, you don't have anything else to say, but they will feel like okay, this person is interested, he is asking me questions, then I should also like answer him, and the conversation just gets on like that. Now you know all the 5 tips and tricks and the golden rule for confidence. Now what comes is practice, because you know what, until and unless you don't practice these points, you are not gonna get confidence anyway. There will be like hundreds of unsuccessful conversations, but then there comes the millions of successful and confident conversations. So you need to wait for those successful conversations and keep on initiating conversations with others. There will be like people who will say shit about you, who will just keep their negativity on you, but you don't need to take that anyway. You need to just keep on going. You don't need to like focus on these things. So you just go and initiate conversations, and slowly and gradually you are going to get confidence in talking to them. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope I was able to add some value to your life. So here on my channel you will get to see makeup videos, you will get these personality development videos, and you will get a lot of dance choreographies as well. So just like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends and family so that they can also get confidence. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Till next video, bye and take care.